Ever noticed how chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, and other countless chatbots agree with you to the point where too much maybe? You could say, I'm terrible at everything, and it softly replies, I understand. It might be hard. What if, what if this kindness is actually hiding something much more deeper? Maybe something the chatbots were never trained for. Meet AI sycophancy. Sycophancy is nothing but agreeing or excessive flattering of something. Basically, a people pleaser. When AIs do it, it's not trying to manipulate us. They're basically doing their job. They're trained to agree with people and keep the user more engaged. But here's the main problem: the constant agree with the user. Is it healthy? Every time an AI validates our thoughts, even the negative and the wrong ones, it's giving a small boost of dopamine, almost like an emotional candy. Candy that you can't get enough of, and you keep growing more dependent and comfortable rather than seeing actual growth. If you're lonely, insecure, or struggling mentally, an agreeable AI and a vulnerable user can really reinforce their bubble instead of questioning it. So, what's the difference between an AI chatbot and a therapist then? A therapist is to gently challenge you to grow. However, an AI chatbot, it's not designed, or if designed, its main thing is to make you feel more comfortable. You see the problem? If AI always agrees, it can validate your self doubt, normalize anxiety, and mirror negative beliefs instead of actually correcting them. AI sycophancy is not just a tech issue, it's a mental health issue too. Because if we let these chatbots flatter us, not challenge us, we might lose the very ability to deal with discomfort, to deal with doubt, correction, the very things essential for growth. So, next time an AI agrees with you a little too easily, think about it. Is it being kind or compliant? True growth, whether artificial or human, it's not about endless validation, it's about balance and growth. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up and also subscribe. Thank you.